go behind the barn and take a few sips till I found something better to put up to my lips. Imagine my surprise when I was mine. Your kisses got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Grandpappy had a still in the barn, that's true. And of course I used to sneak a drink before I met you. But I've been on the wagon since I found out that time. Your kisses got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Well, your kisses got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Gets my head spinning, going out of my mind. Got my heart a-racing, leaves my brain behind. Got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Now going back behind the barn's the best place to be. I get to kiss the prettiest girl here with me. Intoxicating lips like strawberry wine. But your kisses got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Grandpappy's moonshine gets my head spinning, going out of my mind. Got my heart a-racing, leaves my brain behind. Your kisses got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Well, the barn needs painting and the still is long gone, but the fun that we're having just goes on and on. Even though we're older and we both own the farm, together out behind that old barn. Well, your kisses got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Gets my head spinning, going out of my mind. Got my heart a-racing, leaves my brain behind. Your kisses got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine. Gets my head a-spinning, going out of my mind. Got more lightning than Grandpappy's moonshine.